Hello lifestyler, it's Lushawn. If you just found my channel, welcome, and if you're returning to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a unboxing and kind of showcase of a PR package I received from Clever Fox. Sophia reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to choose a few of their items. She came across my channel and figured it would be a good collab with their company and my channel, because I do a lot of budgeting. So yeah, so without any more rambling, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this open. Move that over here. So I chose the mint green color. Let me bring it on in a little bit. For the planner, and I did choose the Undated monthly budget planner. They do have different categories of planners that might interest you, but since I'm into budgeting, I chose the budget planner. And again, it's undated, so you can start it at any time, and it comes in like a multitude of colors. So they do have a YouTube channel. I will have them linked down below in the description box for ease of getting to their channel. And I do believe like their items are sold on Amazon and things of that nature, but I'll just link their YouTube channel, and then you can get all of their information from there. So it does come with a handy dandy little elastic band, and also super convenient pen holder, a pen loop to hold your marker or your pen. So let's go ahead and get into this. When you first open it up, it just has a how to use instruction leaflet for different ways you can attack and strategize and track your expenses, and how to reach your financial goals. So that's pretty convenient. And it also does so it starts out with your what do you want to do, your financial goals, then how you're going to attack it, how you track it, and then what you do monthly to make sure you are staying on point and reviewing what you're doing, and then an end of year how'd I do kind of summary. So that's pretty convenient. Next, of course, is just the if I lose this, please give it back to me kind of page. I don't know if anybody ever would, or if you would leave a reward. I don't really know. I'm very careful about my personal belongings, so I probably would never lose it, but I guess you should never say never, right? Okay, anywho, again, the first page is your financial goals, and it gives you 10 slots for your goals and what you're hoping to achieve. And next is the mind map. So basically you set your goals, and then you kind of just do a mind map step by step as to like kind of how you want to achieve the goals. So I start here, I'm going to do this, and then you move over. Oh, focus. There you go. To how you move from one quadrant to the next for achieving your goals. So that's pretty cool as well. Then you have your strategy. If they're the things you want to do, you may not be equipped or have the certain tools that you need. the skill set that you need. So this will help with that. Also, you'll have a spot to put affirmations like, you know, I am rich, or things of that nature. So I want to be rich, or so yeah, it's pretty detailed. Next is my tactics. Again, what are you going to do to earn the money? You know, are you going to take on side jobs, side hustles, for the different things that you want to do? Or if you need to, if that's something you can't do, but you want to cut your expenses, you know your expenses are high, you're overspending, the actions you'll take to do that. Then you get into your savings tracker. And this is just once you've set your goal and how much you're going to save and how you're going to go about it. This is just your means for tracking it. If you are in debt elimination, this is also your tracker for how you're going about it. You know, name the debt, write it down, how much you owe, what you're paying on it, what you're going to pay on it, and you know, your goal for completing paying it off. So that's pretty cool. So then you get into the monthly section, and the monthly section first gives you an overview for the month. You know, you can set your goals monthly, check it off. Then you're gonna put in, you know, your income and what you're saving, and then you have the calendar dashboard down here. You can actually use stickers on here if you want to, if you don't want to write, or you don't have to use stickers if you just want to write. On this page is just, again, breaking it out into subcategories. So you have your housing, you have food. I don't know if y'all can see that. Bring y'all in some more. But you have housing, you have food, you have your health, transportation, personal, loans, entertainment, other. So you can, you know, group your expenses how you choose to group them. But basically they kind of give you the basics like mortgage, insurance, electricity, water, sewer, gas, you know, the basics, you know. And then they kind of breaks out with groceries and dining out, and you know, then when you get into transportation, like now they have car payment on a transportation, but I would think you just kind of want to have like a loan or debt or something like that. But anywho, however you wanted to set it up, you can, and I guess you could white out on this if you wanted to change the category a certain way, you know, the subcategory if you wanted to break it down differently. So that's the monthly, and then you can just track your expenses if you have cash envelopes and you want to track them, or you're using your debit card and you want to track what you're spending, you know, swiping, which I try not to swipe at all. But for those who do swipe, you can use this either for your cash envelopes or for swiping your card, and you get, it looks like 4 pages, 2, 4, yeah, so that's plenty of pages there. And then you get your monthly budget review. So now you can go back and look and see how you handled yourself in the month. What were your biggest wins? Did you meet your budget? Did you not? Did you achieve your goals? You know, what could you improve upon? You know, what did you learn? Because we should always learn life lessons and things. So yeah, so that's that. And then you also get a dotted note page. So just, you know, if you have random thoughts or ideas that happen to pop up during the month and you want to write it down so that you don't forget going into the next month, you have a note page, a dotted note page where you can put that down, and then you start with the next month. So again, this is undated, so you can start it at any time. And of course, this lasts for a year. So let's go ahead and let's go through here. Let's get to the back. Oh, it also has a page holder ribbon, so you can stay with mark off the month that you're in. So once you're done with the year, you get back to, in the back, there's also a section for Christmas budgeting and Christmas spending. Again, we know a lot of times this is what can throw people off track with their budget, is they don't through the year have a sinking fund for Christmas or gifts or something of that nature, or they haven't done a Christmas fund or saved or anything of that nature, and they tend to get into trouble around the holidays. You know, you got Black Friday and then all the sales leading up to Christmas and the holidays and things of that nature, and this is when most people go into the new year in trouble with a lot of debt. So this section can definitely keep you on track so that you don't overspend during the Christmas and during the holiday season. And then the final section is a summary of the year, how well you did in different categories such as housing, food, health, transportation, you know, your personal expenses, any types of loans, and then entertainment. It also lets you put in, you know, how much income you made for the year, you know, what you brought home, and also your savings for the year. So this is pretty handy. And again, you have additional note pages, dotted note pages if you need to, in the back, where you can now just kind of say for the year, you know, you can look at what you did, and then you can use the note pages to kind of start your mind map for your financial goals for the new year. So I think that's pretty handy as well. There is a little, a nice little pocket in the back, and it has their warranty along with a page of stickers, budget stickers. So that's pretty cool as well. These are really cute. So they have a no hassle refund. So it's, you know, they're very responsible on that end, so that you're not stuck with a product that you aren't happy with. If you don't like it and you have purchased within 60 days, they'll arrange a refund for you. So that is pretty cool. And this pocket is really nice. It actually has like cloth ribbon on the side as the expander, so that's pretty neat. And yeah, so that is the Clever Fox budget planner. Y'all know, if you don't know, green is my favorite color, so that's why I chose that. But I don't know if I will use it. I may probably just have this as a giveaway. I'm trying to build my giveaway box because I'm slowly getting close to 1,000 subscribers. So I want to have a really big giveaway to showcase that. But anyway, also probably in the giveaway, they also sent me these this pouch that has cash envelopes, and this is based off the, you know, everyone's kind of into the Dave Ramsey cash envelope method. So it has a neat little pouch, clever for your envelopes, and inside you have your you can write out your categories, the month, and then you have your budget sheets to track your expenses, and then you have the envelopes. And again, you can still write on here along with putting the budget sheets in here. And I really didn't want to open it because I want to give it away, but it looks like, it appears to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like between 6 and 8 envelopes. So that's really cool. But I'm not going to open this because I want to make this a part of a giveaway. But yeah, so I thought that was really cool because I didn't ask for this and they sent it. So that was neat. And then it has a little handy pouch. So if you don't want to keep it in your wallet, you want to just kind of keep that separate, you can just put your cash envelopes in the pouch and throw it in your bag or whatever, you know, purse or whatever you're carrying. And yeah, so that is what I was sent by Clever Fox, and I really think this is a great budget planner. It's very small, lightweight, easy to fit in any purse. And yeah, I was thinking of using it for my business planner. However, when I saw the different categories and the subcategories that the way it was already set up, this is more for personal budgeting versus business budgeting. So I feel like maybe it would be useful for a subscriber to witness who is just starting out and they want to take control of their finances. This might be a good gift to give along with the cash envelopes, so that they at least have a foundation to get going with their budget. So yeah, so that is the Clever Fox budget planner unboxing and quick little showcase and run through for the planner and also for the cash envelopes. If you've lasted this long in the video, you already know you're a lifestyler. And until my next video, hugs and love. Bye.